Hello. What's up? What's up? How we doing? Yeah, I've literally just recorded. You guys hear me? Okay. Yeah, I've literally just recorded a scalping video on OBS, and I'm going to upload it soon to uh, to the group. So I just wanted to jump on because there's no better way to teach than obviously to do it live, right? And we're very close to this, right? This is a 4-hour GP or GBP ORD. I've put GBP USD. I was looking at it. It was G. I'm supposed to be looking at the wrong pair. GBP USD. So obviously looking at this area here, because we've got the daily zone and we've got the 4-hour zone here, so it is very, it's a high probability zone. So let's see if we get an entry confirmation with it, and we will try and get in a trade. No, no better way to teach than to do it live, right? So let's keep an eye on this. I've just scalped on NAS. I've just explained it in the video as well. Just managed to get in from this zone here on the funding pips 0 account. All right, so I've ticked another day off. So we only need one more profitable day, and we've got 12 days to increase the percentage and try and drop down the consistency score. Now the consistency score is at 38%. It needs to be at 15%. All right, so consistency score. Obviously, I need to get more winning trades to be able to drop that score. If I lose a trade, then that consistency score goes up, and it sucks. All right, and I'm at 2.87%, and I need to be over 3%. So obviously, with that last trade, that should take me over the 3%. So let's see what happens. I'm really gone. Because I've just done a video. I've just gone. My voice is just gone. Now I'm running out of water as well. Yeah, crazy. Um. So yeah, how are you getting on? Have you had a good day, Pop? What are you doing now? Are you trading from home? Like, what are you doing? Your mate, yours and Ross's mate Corey messaged me on TikTok, by the way. I'm trading from home, mate. Nice. You know what you and Ross should do is get yourselves an office and just trade together and share. And it was, yeah, it was to you, yeah. Honestly, I've been drinking so much that I've been peeing so much as well. It's ridiculous. How's it going, buddy? Welcome in, Leon. How you doing? So yeah, I've managed to get in on that one. I've profited today, and then I'm monitoring this GBP USD as well. I would like to get in. This is my main zone, right? This is my main NAS zone for today. But 4-hour has been penetrated here. It has given an entry confirmation. It has given a move. So we will see if we do push up into this one, see if we get entry confirmation again. Ross, how we doing? Just saying, your mate Corey's messaged me today on TikTok. He hasn't got back to me yet. I have sent him a message asking for his email address, so I'm just waiting for him to um, Just waiting for him to get back to me. He's on headset with me now, old Corey. What do you mean on headset? Corey, send me your email address. If that's what you mean. If he's listening, Corey, DM me your email address, mate. I'll send you a 7-day free pass. You're on Xbox, bro. Oh, okay, nice. So when you say, "Oh yeah, I'm trading from home," what you mean is you're a full-time streamer. You're streaming card. Looking for a part-time job, to be honest. I know what to do though. GBP USD, I got that marked up, but GBP is falling in all pairs. Yeah, it's probably a little bit because of news. News was positive for USD, so people, honestly, just um, absolute. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for an entry confirmation on this one because obviously it is against trend. I'm waiting for price to push down and then get into this one. I've profited from NAS already today, so um, I would like to get in again though. My hands are freezing. Anyone's hands are still cold. How was your guys' gym session? I haven't worked out today. Honestly, I'm slacking today. Trying to get because it's a Monday, even though it's a Thursday, it's a Monday, as you guys know. I'm really struggling to get on top of everything. I'm just trying to catch up with everything. Then once I do that, I will be all right. Tonight, I will probably smash out the 100 press ups. Then tomorrow, I will check out Ross's workout and workout thing plan. Um, Tomorrow, what is it, Ross? Tomorrow. Not gonna lie, I do only get excited for certain days. Been outside shops all day, bones are freezing, home now warming up. What did you buy? Did you get anything nice? I'm gonna have to put some music back on. I've been listening to Hans Zimmer for like the last hour or so, and it is um, I love it. I was thinking push, legs, pull, cardio, abs, rest, and repeat maybe. Push, legs, pull, cardio. Yeah, that sounds good. Can't guess wrong. Best legs day tomorrow. Legs day is the worst, isn't it? Oh, oh, that's nice. That is. Trade from your laptop. I like the way you trade from your laptop, but you came from your PC. Priorities. Please tell me you don't game from that beanbag. That must be uncomfortable. Love that though. Fire. I need to sort my setup out. To be fair, I need more screens. I'm gonna have to invest into more screens. I think because like now, oh, yeah, I panicked. How I panicked. I panicked to mute my mic then for the sneeze. Um, yeah. So I, I yeah, I need more screens because I'd like, watching this. I like to watch NAS as well. Then I've got my other stuff going on. Then I'm talking to chat. Anything I dislike on legs day is squats. Don't mind extensions or curls. I don't mind squats to be fair. I prefer squatting with a bar. I'd like another stream too. Yeah, take Danny Bear's monitors. Do you know what? I've considered it, but she uses them. So like when we're gaming in the evening, she'll use both because she'll watch like Twitch and stuff like that on the other screen. I don't want to be that much of an ass. I could have the laptop next to me as well, but the it seems like if I click anything on there, it seems to like log me out on this one. I only do squats once every other leg session. Yeah, I really like squats because it's a compound movement, isn't it? So I like it. Squats, bench press. I really like what is it? T-bar row instead of bent over row. I really like T-bar row as well. I did use my old man's setup. He got 3 screens, the lot, but that's in the living room, and my office is my bedroom. That's fair, though. Like, right? You've got to just use what you got. All right, I've got this like really, really small, nothing. Um, I do hamstring focus leg day and quad focus leg day, man. I just like bodybuilding style because you hit every muscle. Working out is the same as trading. All you have to do is find what works for you, as they all work. And yeah, exactly. Like for me, I like. I don't know if you've seen him, right? His name's Simeon Panda on YouTube, and I used to watch him all the time. I really like him. And I would do, instead of doing like lots of different exercises, I would just do kind of like 3 or 4 exercises, but I would do a lot of reps. I would start like low, so like chest press. I would start at 10 kg, and then obviously do like 15 reps at 10 kg, and then I'd move up to like I think they only went in even numbers, right? So then I went up to 14, and then I'd do 12 reps of 14. Then I'd move up to like 18 or 20, do 12 reps of those. 25 kg, then I'd do 12 reps of 25 kg, and then like 30 kg, I would try and get at least 8, right? And then after 30 kg, depending obviously how long I've been going and if I was strong enough, I would do like 32 kg, and then I would do, um, if I can do 4 to 6 reps of that, I'd be happy. If not, then obviously I wouldn't increase the weight, right? So I'd do it, and then if it was a failure, then I would just drop it, and then I would just drop back down, and then I would drop that down, probably go to back down to like 20, and try and smash out like 12 to 20 reps and just trying to go to failure or whatever. Right. So I'd really, really just push and push and push. Um, and then I would do, that'd be like, I started that on just flat bench, and then I would do, like flat dumbbell press, and I'll do incline barbell press. Um, and sometimes I switch it up and do the incline barbell first. And what else would I do? I would do flies. So I do flatbed flies, and then I do cable flies, and that'd be it really. That'd be like the four main four main exercises I would do. Obviously, I would change them up. If I got bored, or after like 12 weeks, I'd change them up and mix it up a little bit. But I played 18 holes of golf. Then 2 hours later, I played five-a-side football. Pulled my hammy. Getting old. Oh no, Haroon, push yourself too far, mate. Love the ambition though. Smashing it. But yeah, hope you recover quickly. Look here. Yeah, so you'll see in the video, right? I've recorded a video. You'll see why that didn't hold. But now we are on our way down, which is nice. Unfortunately, price didn't push back up into this area, but now I'll be looking at kind of these zones to look at. So these are 2 1-minute zones here. This is our higher probability area here with this 15-minute zone. Again, we're just waiting for entry confirmations because this 4 hour has been gated, right? And these would be higher probability if, just to go through a bit, all right, this would be higher probability if price took this high. But if this high got taken by this, then this would be a higher probability, right? Because it would be the zone that broke the high. But it didn't. All right, so it's not right. It's not a strong, um, not a strong zone, higher probability zone. So we just wait now. Wait for entry confirmations, and that's it. My daughter is back at about 3, so I'm gonna have to jump off around then. I wanted to jump back on to see if we could get in the GBP together. I will set up on this. I'll set that up on school just in case that does happen. But let's wait and see. I miss five-a-side football. I used to love five-a-side football. Now, again, I'm just too old. I'm too unfit. You know what? I've never actually pulled a hamstring or anything. I've broken wrists actually playing football as well. Broken wrist playing football and playing squash. I've never pulled a muscle, I don't believe, or broken anything when playing a sport. I've never pulled a muscle. I've never even pulled a muscle at the gym, to be fair. Maybe I'm just not working hard enough. The one thing I'm scared of, right, is you see all these guys when they're doing like isolated dumbbell curls, is when you see that their bicep tear and it just goes pop, and it's just like, oh, like that just makes me cringe. I really don't like that at all. Come on, let's get into this zone. Fire, fire. Really don't like getting in trades without the team. Like scalping that NAS, like I feel guilty, but there's no way. Like if I tell you guys by the time I type it up and send it to get in, I explained this in the 1 minute video as well. Time I tell you to get in, you react because we're not guaranteed these moves, right? Obviously, this is move. I should have kept it on. This is a nice move, but which is why you should always leave runners, really. But it was new, so I didn't want to leave anything. But by the time I tell you to get in on a 1 minute time frame, you're gonna have missed it, right? So if I get in here, got in here once, and then I got in here again, all right. But by the time I've sent that, because of this massive drop, you're gonna get in about here, right? So if I then say a 10 to 15, because we're scalping, I would say a 5 to 10 pip stop loss, probably 10 pip minimum stop loss when scalping, right? Which is 95. Okay, now if price came back just around this area here, you guys are all going to get touched out, and that's a fresh zone there, right? So that's a new zone, which obviously price didn't, but you know it could have quite easily come back and tested that zone and then pushed back down, right? So I would have stayed in, you guys would have hit the stop loss because you wouldn't have got in when I got in, and then it's just a whole lot of nightmares. Everybody complains and all that sort of stuff. Which, to be fair, actually, our group, our community, nobody complains about anything. I think everyone's very understanding about like how trading works and all that sort of stuff. So, yeah, I love our community. It's only small, but I love it. I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, oh yeah. Let's see. 112 subscribers now. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Absolute legends. Might go live on TikTok. I only got 45 minutes though. Shall we do it? Dun-dun. I love it, love it, love it. Could it hurt? I don't. I'm live here. I may as well be live there. So many of you guys are into golf. I can't, like, I don't mind hitting the driving range or whatever like that, but I'm not really overly into golf. I need to really find something better to use. But yeah, been a good, like, it's not been a bad day, obviously with the scalp on NAS, but we will try and get into this GBP USD. There was also the GBP ORD, right? Hasn't hit my notification. This is really, really want to be looking down here though. Or manage that stop loss. Working out is the same as trade. Yeah, like I say, that's the thing. Like I'm very organized. I'm very routine with my trading. I'm very disciplined with my trading. But if I get out of routine, like I don't get out of routine with my trading because I do it every single day. Whereas if I get out of routine with like gym or whatever else, then yeah, I just like as soon as that one day that I miss that one day, that's it. Rude. Like I won't go again for like a week. But when I do go, I'm going every day. I'm going for at least an hour and a half every day to the gym. Boom, 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 boom. But now, like it's been a while. I need to get back on it. Really, I do enjoy it as well. Like it makes you feel good. I also want to get into running. I want to be able to run. I just don't enjoy running. But yeah, healthy body, healthy mind for healthy trading. Which like trading hasn't been too bad. It's just been a bit slow. I think this period, like today and tomorrow, is going to be a little bit slow, and then Monday, hopefully, things will pick up again. Obviously, we had the news today. It's not had a massive impact on anything at the moment. NAS is pushing down nicely. It's kind of hovering between in no man's land at the moment. So we will just wait for move this up here notification, and then literally just wait for it to go. But yeah, with the scalping video that I'm going to share with you guys, you ideally you only want to do it for the evenings, right? So when volume is lower. So if you want to do the 1 minute scalping the way that I'm showing, I would just wait for volume to be a little bit lower around 6 p.m. Especially like for you UK people, I know a lot of you will finish at like 5:30. Jump home, jump on the chart, 6-7 o'clock. Jump in front of the screens. If we're in or around a 4 hour zone, then obviously you can easily scalp that quite easily, I would say. And then even with a 15-minute zone, obviously as long as you're identifying your zones correctly, you should be able to see profit. All right, you shouldn't you. But if it's not a valid zone, then don't be scalping. Charlie with the likes, appreciate you, Charlie. Welcome in. But yeah, I will upload that video for you guys this evening. Like I said, I'll probably upload it around 7 p.m. to be honest. By the time little one's gone to bed. Random coins guy, appreciate that likes. Those likes, sorry. Welcome in, welcome in. How you doing? Welcome back. Did you have a good New Year's? Did you have a good holiday? We're monitoring GU, and we're monitoring NAS at the moment. GU's about to drop into a daily and a 4 hour, just hovering above. We're just waiting to see if price will penetrate that zone. And then once we get an extra confirmation, we will jump in. I've run out of water. I have to nick my wife's. Replace it with the empty bottle. Happy New Year, Craig. How you doing? You absolute legend. Craig, I hope you don't mind. I stole your picture. I did tag you in it and gave you credit for it, though. I didn't just steal credit for it. Random Coins Guy with the likes as well. Let's go, Random Coins Guy. Appreciate you. Still spamming them likes. Guys, if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you do drop a follow. We've got a free 7-day trial within the community. All you've got to do is DM me your email address, right? There's only 3 spots available. DM me your email address, and once those spots have gone, they're gone, right? And then if you want a spot and they're gone, then you have to come back tomorrow, or you will have to sign up. Honestly, like I'm loving how like the community's going? All good, bud. Back into the markets today. Yes, sir. We've had 1L. We had 1L on Euro CHF. Massive push down to the downside. The Euro CHF. Yeah, wrong time frame. That's why. I was like, I don't recognize that. Yeah, massive push to the downside, swept us out, swept massive liquidity to be fair. Then started pushing back up. So it is what it is, fortunately. And it's because of this. I don't like this. I don't like setups with this. All right, you've got it here as well. All right, here, here. I don't really like this. All right, which is why we didn't go heavy on it. South Wales beats. Appreciate that follow. I took a scalp on gold earlier. Nice. I'm staying away from gold for a while. I think scalping, like this time of year, I think scalping is best. And it's safer because I just feel like limit orders. Why are you staying away? Just because it hasn't been moving the way that I like. It's very like gold, especially. It's very volatile, right? And it's very much like a liquidity hunter. So it will take out zones quite easily. Like and you'll find times where it will just stick to, it will stick to almost every zone, and you can scalp it nicely, or you can trade it nicely. It'll go zone to zone to zone. And I miss those days. NAS is the same. NAS, I love NAS. We had our biggest month on NAS, our biggest week on NAS, sorry, with 13% because it was just going zone to zone to zone, and it was really nice. But yeah, I agree. Gold's been volatile. I switched between that and GJ. Okay, nice. This is the thing, right? Like, you just have to find what pairs work for you, what pairs don't. Like, I trade a lot of the forex, like major forex pairs, but there'll be some forex pairs that I will put a few trades on, and I will see that maybe price won't go my way a couple of times, so I'll delete it. Right? Like if I'm going to get a couple of negative trades and it's not sticking to my strategy, then I'll remove it. Like there's plenty of trades that I bet plenty of pairs that will stick to the strategy, so you just trade those more, right? The NAS go. Appreciate you, Leon. Eh. I do love NAS. I'm gonna have to get into brain fog. I'm going to have to get into not forex trading, futures trading. I'm gonna have to get into futures because I do like NAS, and obviously I've been told several times to get in. What's GJ? GBP JPY. So the Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen, to be specific. You characterize your strategy as pattern trading. I do supply and demand zones, and I use market structure and price action. What's levels trading? I don't know. I haven't heard of levels trading, but this is the thing, right? You'll get so many different gurus or different traders, and everybody trades the same thing. And I say this all the time. So, literally all the time, you get people will just kind of brand it their own thing, but at the end of the day, all people do is trade market structure and price action. Okay, now I trade market structure and price action, and I could call it, obviously my thing is called what? Forex trading with Alex, right? I use the FTA strategy. It's not the FTA strategy, it's just market structure and price action. Do you know what I mean? So there's no point in putting a name or a brand on it because it's been about forever. Okay, now people will use different indicators and blah 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 blah, which you don't need. It just is what it is. What broker do you use on CTrader? I use Vantage on mine. Yeah, this is the problem as well. Like you'll find sometimes they match and then sometimes they won't. But as long as you get in, you can still use it and get in when like you can trade this as such on CTrader. Like I've been doing it for ages, and I've seen fine results. So that's what I use. I'm currently in a buy at GJ. Just didn't know the sort of you're in a buy on GP JPY. Okay. Just in a trade. Zero spread with futures, right? I believe so. I don't know a lot about futures. Okay, I'm not like I'm not a futures guy, but I would like to get into futures. But we've got a lot going on inside the community at the moment that I don't want to chuck that in there as well because it's gonna distract me from other things. So I just want to focus on what we've got going on at the moment, and then once we complete those, then I might move on to futures. But like I say, guys, if you're new, drop a follow. We've got a free 7-day pass in the community. If you want to learn a simple, effective way to trade, simple basics, I teach you to master them, then that's the place you want to be. If not, I wish you all the best. I've drunk so much today, and I must have gone to the restroom at least 15 times, which is good because it's healthy, but it's so annoying. We're about to enter. It looks like we might enter this 15-minute, this 4-hour zone soon. Right? Do you live off trading or work? So I trade and then I do other bits as well. Like I've got several sources of income. So trading, like I always recommend to people, you don't want to have trading as your only source of income because like you look at like the last few weeks, you've had obviously we've had Christmas, we've had New Year's. There's not been a lot going on, right? So you don't want to have a couple of like 2-3 weeks. It's been 2-3 weeks where we've had like a solid, decent trade. You don't want to be just focusing or relying just on trading. So if you can build yourself several sources of income, then that would be ideal. Which is why if you've got like other hobbies, you turn these other hobbies into money essentially. Or you could do something crazy and do like a TikTok shop. No worries, Abdul. Mika with the likes. I see you, Mika. Appreciate you. Keep spamming them likes. Thank you. Much appreciated. Like honestly, it's so easy to make money online these days. So easy. Like you don't even have to be talented, right? Let's be honest. You can buy like I see it all the time. You got guys like with the I want to get one. To be fair, it's probably because I've seen it so many times. But one of the under desk treadmills, right? So I can get my 10K steps in a day. I want to get one of those. I'll be saying this probably for the next 6 months. But I want to get one of those. And you see these guys, and they buy one, and they use it. They go live on TikTok. They talk about it, and then they're just getting commissions from selling them off of TikTok Shop. It's like it's crazy. I've got one of those game changer. Really, really, I do want to get one because obviously like Christmas and I'm fat anyway. I just want to get my 10K steps in and be able to lose some weight basically. I do really want to get into shape this year. This year, I said this year is going to be my year, and I'm going to stick to it. This year is going to be a great year fitness wise for me as well as trading. Last out 12K steps before midday. Exactly. And then really in the evening, you can just eat what you want. I know that's not the point, but you could, you totally could, right? I hate Thursdays. Ugh. Even though it feels like a Monday, I hate Thursdays. I'm trying to stay in a calorie deficit. That's what I need to do as well. I need to just stick in a calorie deficit. What you need to do is just sit on the toilet, sit on the toilet loads, and you'll be fine, mate. You'll be dropping calories like nobody's business. My daughter, I've got a microphone for my TikToks that I can't use anymore. I bought one of these, and they like they were pretty good to be fair, but my daughter just broke it, and now I'm fuming, so I'm gonna have to buy some more. I was supposed to record content today, and I haven't recorded any content. I've just been like busy, just madly busy. Need a day of just smashing out like 100 videos or something. I've recorded a video for the community though, the 1 minute scalping video. So, Craig, if you're still there, I've got that for you, bro. I will add that soon. No worries, no worries. I see a lot of these guys. Obviously, I think they are futures traders as well. And I don't know what it is, but they've got like this software thing, and it's like um, order executed and order closed and all this sort of stuff. And I think that actually looks quite good. But I don't know what the software is. I don't. Craig, do you know what it is? Actually, to be fair, you're quite in the know about all this. Charlie spamming them likes. Let's go. 1K likes already. You guys, are you lot like literally four of you there? They're just killing it. Absolutely killing it. Appreciate you. Right, where's this GBP 50? I do want to get in. It's really just like it's just hovering above the daily zone right now. Just hovering. It's like, yeah, I'm not going to get in until your daughter's home, and then I'm going to get in and give a perfect entry confirmation, and you're not going to get in because you're going to be too busy. Yeah, looking at GU at the moment, it's close to a daily and 4 hour zone. I love, love, love it. Uh-oh. Good it hurt. I don't do, 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 do. Hopefully it'll push in. Got like 25 minutes till I need to jump off. Also, if you're on the, I just earned a grand. Nice trade to beat. Let's go. Oh, we're back in the 4 hour zone right now on NAS. If we push down, we might be able to get into a NAS trade. Let's see. This will be, we will just be scalping this. So if you're in on the YouTube channel, then you can join in. But this won't be a limit order, so it won't be shared with the community unless you're in the live, right? So if we get if the price pushes down, we get an entry confirmation, we will jump in and we'll scalp together. But I can't, like I say, as explained earlier, with scalping, you just can't do signals with scalping. It just don't work. Because the stop loss is going to be too tight. By the time you get in, you're going to hit stop loss if it comes pulls back and retests, etc. So if you don't want to miss out, jump in the YouTube channel, links in bio, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, 7-day free trial within the community. DM me your email address, you'll get that as well. Yeah, congratulations, Trader B. Love it. Goody ho. YouTube is where the cool kids hang out. 100%. Be fair, it's growing quick as well, to be fair. Sebi, check TikTok lives, TikTok DMs after live. Of course, Sebi. As long as you're not one of these guys that are like, I can promote your channel. You can get a free lion, whatever that is. And it's all good. Yeah. Pushing it into this 15-minute zone. Let's see if we reach the up. I don't know if you're still there. If you want to let Corey know quickly. I've sent him his 7-day pass email. I'll message him in a minute. I don't know if you've still got him on headset. Now, the thing with this is I don't like entry confirmation with this because it's had such the big push down. If we wanted to wait for an entry confirmation on this, right, you'd be waiting for up here. Which is why sometimes you'll find that if there is a nice push, I will get in. But because this is not a type of risk of a zone that we really want to be doing that on, we will wait. I mean, it may just go into the 15-minute now and fly, which is fine. If it does, it does. We miss it. We go back onto the next one. Daniel with the follow. Appreciate you, Daniel. Brother called Daniel. Price coming close to our entry. Touched into that 1 minute perfectly. All right, so now, obviously, with the scalping, I want to see that first, right? Still on the 1 minute time frame. Ideally, this is the main zone we want, right? I've highlighted these just I highlighted these just from the video, like the educational video. That's a nice reaction. Even if you're scalping, you've got 20 pips there, right? Do you know what I mean? See what happens. Ends Wiz with the follow. Appreciate you. So now we're going to wait for this high to get taken, or we'll wait for it to drop into the 15-minute. Ideally, we want the 15-minute, then we want an EC, and then we want to get in. So we want to just wait, patiently wait. I'm going to run out of time here. I can see it. I don't want to run out of time. I'm hoping they'll be late. Which market? We're currently watching NAS. NAS 100. Just waiting for an entry confirmation. We're on the 1 minute time frame. It's dropped into a 1 minute zone, fresh zone, perfectly actually. From this one. Oh, my headset gets tangled terribly. I like having a lot of cable, but having a lot of cable just gets everywhere. Excuse me. Oh, been a long day. Oh, I need a nice massage. Someone to give me a nice, proper, good massage. My wife's a masseuse. She's never given me a massage. Can you believe that? To be fair, I don't think she's ever given anyone a massage. I gotta have it. Oh. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you do drop a follow. And like I said, we've got the free 7-day pass to the community. All you've got to do is DM me your email address and you can get access. Feel like it's going to drop to our zone. Missed. Okay. This is why I need more than one screen. This is GU. One we will set to the rest of the team if we get in. We're set up already. But we need this. Patiently waiting for my zones to move on. That was terrible. Isn't it crazy how 50 Cent is 50 Cent or Curtis Jackson, whatever you want to call him? Like going from the person where he was to what he has done now is absolutely insane. Like I love him as just not just as like music, but as an entrepreneur, like he is insane. Like he's just so smart. Like you know why he's got where he's got to. He's just clever. Should I buy an H bar? You should do whatever you want to do, nickname. I have no opinion on that whatsoever. All the crypto guys are out again. Or the meme coins or whatever they are. Right. There we go. Been taken, right? And let's see if we get in on this. See, even if this candle touches in, I would like to see a reaction from it, right? Do 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 do. Come on, come back and test touch us in. The bull showing us that the bulls are taking control. All right, and that the sellers or the bears are losing momentum. We do have to be aware that we've still got this 15-minute zone down here, so it will be a close. Like I say, we're scalping this, right? So it will be a tight stop loss. If we hit stop loss, it's fine. Hopefully we don't. Crazy how it touched in. Obviously, from the you guys will see the video, but it's touched in the 1 minute. So obviously we did this is the 4 hour zone. I had the 15-minute zone, and then this is the 1 minute zone. Obviously there was two touched into this 1 minute zone perfectly, and already given a what 95, an 80 pip move already from that 1 minute zone. I would like to get in, so please come back. We'd like to see some nice zone to zone action. I'm not sure I'll be that lucky. Guys, if you're new to the TikTok channel, make sure you drop a follow and hit me up on the YouTube channel as well. But yeah, if you want a free 7-day pass within the community, all right, it's a free 7-day pass. You just DM me your email address. All you've got to do. Come back, baby, come back. I mean, even that's a big 20 pip zone. Looks like it's left without its team. All right, it's gone in this 1 minute. It's gone in this 1 minute zone and just taken off. All right, it's already at 100 and 30 odd pips already. Technically, it's already, like, if you look at it on this time frame, already given the entry confirmation, because this is the entry confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. Should have played that. Should have played that really. Should have played that 1 minute time frame. Fresh extreme zone here. All right. This here. Should have just taken that massive trade. Missed that one. Still blue for the day, which is fine, but you miss a 100 pip trade, it is a little bit frustrating. Should have got in. Wow. Wounded. I don't think that'll pull back now. And to be honest, now that's, I don't know even if I'd want to take it now. We'll probably wait for the 15-minute one lower zone, this zone, and go from there. Yeah, my daughter is going to be back literally imminently. So, team, if you want a free 7-day trial within the community, make sure you DM me your email address. I'm going to jump off now. Unfortunately, we didn't get in this one, but it just shows again strategy does work. We should have taken the trade. Should have just trusted that zone. That was a nice zone. Should have got in there. But it is what it is, right? We move on to the next one. And I will see you guys. I will be live again tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Friday, right? Yeah, be live again tomorrow. And I will see you guys then. So yeah, TikTok, I'll see you tomorrow, and YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow as well. Much love. Um, yeah, literally, my in-laws at the door. 2 seconds. Bye 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 bye.